In this video we will talk about how to recover quickly from surgery interventions. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Learn about this new way to recuperate quickly from surgery interventions. Passing through a knee surgery or any kind of surgery requires many care actions prior to and after the surgical intervention occurs. Indeed, the post-surgery care is a determining issue for the eventual success of the surgery and your recovery. The surgery intervention is only half of the entire curing process, and the other half must be accomplished by the patient at home without the facilities and services that a hospital or a clinic can bring. But, health providers regularly recommend their patients to maintain the legs comfortable, this way, promoting a quicker recovery which can be done by maintaining a healthy sleep posture, using medicines, exercising and using a special leg or knee wedge pillow. An effective way to recover after surgery quickly. The most important ways to keep you comfortable and without discomfort while convalescing after surgery are elevation, healthy blood flow, breathiness and steady support. Restorative sleep stimulates you to get well successfully in short time. In fact, when your body receives healthy quantities of oxygen, the convalescence time will be smaller and more healing, as you will notice the quality of new tissues and skin your body will make. It does not matter if you have undergone through a cosmetic leg plastic surgery, spider vein removal, and knee replacement surgery, the leg wedge pillow is the solution you need. This orthopedic leg pillow will be your comforting bed company through the convalescence days when your body asks to be coddled the most. Thanks to the leg wedge pillow, you will not need to worry about your lower limbs because this contour leg pillow cares for them in a healthy way so you can get accustomed to your new situation. Now it's easy to spread your legs freely in bed or to maintain them tenderly closed in a side sleeping position. Well, the leg wedge pillow lets you do both things with only an unfolding move. It's a dual-purpose leg spacer and leg support pillow. Either way, your legs will feel relaxed thanks to the orthopedic support of this innovative pillow. As a result, you will rest freely and regain your health sooner with the support brought by the orthopedic dual-purpose leg wedge pillow. Get recovered with the correct help. All you have to do is to try this excellent memory foam wedge pillow. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.